Hey there. Have you ever been committed to something that you're very, very passionate about and it happens? You commit, you do the work that you need to do, and then you arrive. And how does that feel? Typically, pretty amazing. So, why am I talking about all of this? Well, this month, February, 10 years ago, 2015, I completed the Tokyo Marathon. And at the same time, I actually achieved a goal that I had set about 10 years before. So now we're talking a 30-year history here. This is a medal that not many runners have. It represents having completed the six world major marathons: Boston, Tokyo, London, Chicago, New York, Berlin. Yeah, that's the six. So imagine the commitment and the determination that it takes to get something like this. And I bring that up again because um, we are living in a time in history where the value of immigration, the value of legal and a skilled immigration is being questioned, even despite what you hear that it's not. It is because I practice it every day. And I have clients that that are legally in the United States, have employment authorization documents that are pending, have been pending for 90 days, have been pending for 4 months. They have not been adjudicated by USCIS because of bureaucracy and even fear within the immigration agencies. So going back to my world majors, even though I was committed and determined to get there, I could not have done it by myself. I needed a coach. I needed a community that would share tips, that would share uh, energy, that would support me when I was fearful and when I didn't think that I could make it. And I feel that we are at a time in immigration, and particularly corporate immigration, which is what I do, business immigration, where we need to unite. And actually, the logo of you can't really see it. Um, no, you can't really see it. It's at the back of this T-shirt, but it says "United We Stand." That was the theme for the 2015. So bringing this to you to say that I believe we have to have the theme of uniting for what we stand. And the same way that for me to achieve my marathon goals, I need a community, I need a coach, I need people that share and support each other. I am building that community. I want to build that community among HR professionals and legal and all of those that have to that should embrace what we stand for and that we're committed to. We're committed to making our country better through legal uh, avenues, and that requires again knowledge. It requires a community. It requires a tribe. And one of the things that I'm doing is I'm going to be running something called the HR Guide to Hiring Global Talent, a strategic workshop for HR leaders. So the HR Guide, an HR talent acquisition um, guide to hiring global talent. It is going to take place Wednesday, February 26th. It is a virtual webinar. It is going to run from 9:30 to 3. There is a cost. It's $300, which for the value that you're going to get out of this, I can almost guarantee you, if you're committed to growing and despite all the challenges that we're going to have ahead of us, if you're committed to supporting your foreign talent and your company growth, this is like a game changer, like a huge value for what you're going to receive. So I encourage you to consider this, to become part of the tribe, to unite with me and others that are going to be growing through the challenges so that at the end of the day, and it will take more than running one marathon. It's going to be more than just running the Tokyo Marathon. It really, at the end of this process, we are going to be earning World Majors six stars medal. So pretty. So thank you for being here with me. I so look forward to uniting together so that we can continue to elevate our country, continue to support the extraordinary foreign talent that comes to the United States to sprinkle our workforce and elevate our country, and it's so needed. So again, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming workshop. Actually, the signups are going to be down in the link, and talk to you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.